spit. No, I didn't pee. I think there's nothing wrong with you, Patty. Patty, there's nothing wrong with me.
Oh gosh.
Patty, you always wear velour. Why?
I like velour.
I don't want you to wear that. You're my friend.
I'm not going to work.
You're my friend. I just want to tell you that you should not wear velour because you're my friend. And anybody who's my friend should not wear velour. You're not my friend.
She's not serious.
You're not my
Serious, dude.
friend.
Don't wear velour. What do you have against velour?
I don't like it.
Hello, it's like wearing pajamas.
No, it's okay. Fine.
I'm not wearing it to work.
You don't wear it outside of work to wear anywhere. What?
What do you have against
You got
velour?
you wear it matching.
So bossy.
I don't like it because it's floppy. I thought I'm
Are you recording all
No,
of
you
this?
can wear it. That's fine. I love it. You can wear it in bed, but you can't wear it. Even though you can't wear it anywhere you go because otherwise, you can't do it. You can't do it.
Fucking Bobby, go to sleep. What do you have against velour fit?
It's just not cool. Does anyone here wear velour?
There's nothing wrong with velour. It's comfortable. It's easy.
Everything's wrong with it.
What is wrong with it?
This is stupid. You look like you look like you want to look like J-Lo?
Oh, shit.
No, but there's nothing wrong with this. My lazy outfit.
Fine. Go to sleep.
I am.
Are you recording it?
Don't wear it
Yeah.
in public.
Why?
You can't wear it to my house anymore.
Oh, shit.
What is wrong with velour? It's so easy.
I'm gonna wear velour to Portia's house.
I don't think I have two.
No, but if you wore it one time, okay, you know, but like every time, like, oh, I got a new velour outfit.
I've never done that.
You would get excited when you get velour outfits. You call me and you say, oh, I got a new velour outfit.
No. I was more like, is it okay to wear velour on a Friday because it's casual day?
No, but
And you're
last
like,
time you
no.
went to my house, you got a navy blue velour outfit. And I was like, oh man, that's not my friend.
How long ago was that? And I got with Natalie and Mark, didn't I?
You got me Starbucks and you were wearing a navy blue velour outfit, and I was so disappointed in you.
It's early in the morning.
It doesn't matter.
What the hell?
You changed.
I'm gonna wear my freaking pajamas to
Don't wear it to my house.
What the hell? You're such an ass. What do you have again? I don't teach you about your mismatched socks and your.
I'm not wearing socks.
But when your socks mismatch or when you wear Ryan socks, I don't talk about you. I tell you you need new socks and I help you out, but I don't tell you not to wear Ryan
I'm
socks.
just saying, I don't like velour.
You're just racist.
It's not racist.
Just
I don't
racist.
like
It's velour.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Uh-oh. Barf
Bucket.
No, I'm okay.
What?
I just need water.
velour, okay? Just leave her alone. Racist. She's racist against velour. I hate her. Sorry guys, I'm naked.
See your boobs.
Sorry. Sorry.
Why are you recording me? I'm gonna take away, bra.
Okay.
You stop.